Hello friends. Welcome to this video. Today, we are going to talk about a very deep, powerful, and life-changing book called Detach to Attract, You Become What You Quietly Expect, written by Calvin W. Nathan. This book is not just about motivation. It is about inner freedom, emotional strength, mental peace, and true attraction in life. The core message of this book is simple yet very powerful. When you stop chasing, life starts attracting. When you stop forcing, things start flowing. When you detach, you attract. So friends, let us begin this complete, detailed, YouTube narration-friendly English summary of this amazing book. Introduction. Why are most people unhappy? Friends, have you ever asked yourself, why do people suffer so much? Why is there so much stress, anxiety, fear, and disappointment in life? According to the author, the main reason is attachment. We get attached to people, relationships, outcomes, success, validation, expectations. We want people to behave according to us, life to go exactly as we plan, results to come quickly, love, respect, and success to be permanent. And when life does not go our way, we suffer. This book begins with a deep truth. Greater than the more tightly you hold something, the more painful it becomes. The more you let go, the lighter your life feels. This is where the philosophy of detach to attract begins. What does detachment really mean? Many people misunderstand detachment. Detachment does not mean becoming cold, becoming careless, leaving everything, running away from life. Detachment actually means doing your best without emotional dependence, loving without fear, working without obsession, trusting without controlling. The author clearly says, greater than detachment is not giving up. Detachment is trusting life. You still love, you still work hard, you still dream big, but you stop tying your happiness to outcomes. Attachment, the hidden source of pain. Attachment looks like love, but very often it is fear of loss, insecurity, need for validation, emotional dependency. When you are attached, you fear losing people, you overthink, you compromise your self-respect, you tolerate disrespect, you forget your own worth. The author writes, greater than the more you need something, the weaker you become emotionally. And this is a powerful truth. Why detachment creates attraction? Now comes the most important question. How does detachment attract things into our life? When you detach, you become calm. You stop being desperate. You stop chasing. Your energy changes. People are naturally attracted to confidence, calmness, self-sufficiency, inner stability. A detached person does not beg for attention, does not fear rejection, does not try to impress. And that is why detachment creates attraction. You become what you quietly expect. This line is the soul of the book. Your life is not created by what you say loudly. Your life is created by what you believe silently. Your subconscious beliefs shape your decisions, your reactions, your confidence, your reality. If deep inside you believe, I am not good enough, people leave me, success is not for me, life will prove those beliefs right. The author says, life responds to your silent expectations. Quiet expectations control your life. Quiet expectations are the thoughts you don't speak, the beliefs you don't question, the assumptions you accept. If you quietly expect rejection, you attract rejection. If you quietly expect failure, you create failure. Detachment helps you release negative expectations and replace them with trust. Let go of control. We want to control people, relationships, results, the future. But control creates fear. Control creates anxiety. Control creates stress. Detachment teaches, do your duty, give your best, leave the outcome. The moment you stop controlling, your mind relaxes. Your heart becomes lighter. Life starts flowing. Detachment in relationships. This book gives powerful lessons about relationships. Love becomes painful when you lose yourself. You fear abandonment. You need constant reassurance. True love with detachment means loving without possession, caring without fear, being present without dependency. The author explains, greater than when you detach emotionally. You gain respect, not distance. Detached love is healthy love. Detachment and loneliness. Many people fear being alone. But the book teaches something very important. Greater than when you enjoy your own company. You stop settling for the wrong people. Detachment helps you become emotionally independent. Choose wisely. Avoid toxic relationships. Loneliness disappears when you are comfortable with yourself. Success and detachment. Even success requires detachment. People who succeed focus on effort. Enjoy the process. Do not obsess over results. Do not compare. Comparison is attachment. Fear is attachment. Ego is attachment. Detachment allows clarity, consistency, and discipline. Inner peace is the real attraction. The biggest message of this book is greater than your outer life is a reflection of your inner state. When you are peaceful inside, you attract better people. You make better decisions. You feel fulfilled. Detachment gives you inner peace. And inner peace attracts everything else. Practical lessons from the book. Here are the core lessons. 1. Do not make anything your emotional necessity. 2. Stop seeking validation. 3. Trust the process. 4. Release fear and expectations. 5. Be comfortable alone. 6. Focus on growth, not approval. 7. Let life surprise you. Friends, Detach to Attract teaches us that peace is more valuable than control. Freedom is more powerful than possession. Trust is stronger than fear. When you detach, you stop suffering. You stop chasing. You start attracting. This book is not just to be read. It is meant to be lived. So friends, if you like this summary, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more such deep, life-changing content. Thanks friends. Thank you very much for watching and listening till the end.